Hey guys, today we will see how to move a selection in Gimp. There are three ways of doing it. The first one is moving a selection outline. So here we will just select a portion of that image, and when we move that selection we can see only the outline of that selection is getting moved and no content of the image is getting affected. So this is basically selection and moving the outline. The second option is moving the selection and its content with emptying the original place, which is basically cut and paste in this scenario. In Mac, press Command and Option button and drag the selection portion. As you can see, the portion I drag gets empty and it gets moved to another part of the image. For Windows, press Ctrl and Alt and again drag the selected portion. So the third part is moving the selection and its content without emptying the original place, which is basically copy and paste in this scenario. For Mac users, press Shift and Option button and drag the image. As you can see, it didn't hamper the original part, and it made a copy of that selection and pasted it in another portion of that image. For Windows user, press Shift and Alt. So that's basically it for selection and moving in GIMP. Have a nice day.